Welcome to my class. In this particular video session, we will talk about data representation. This video session is on fractional numbers, part 7. Fractional numbers. Converting from a binary fractional number to decimal number system. In binary number system, fractional numbers are formed in the same way as in the decimal system. Just as in the decimal system, the value 68.53, we represent it like this: 3 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 2, 5 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 1, 8 multiplied by 10 raised to power 0, 6 multiplied by 10 raised to power 1. We solve it like this: 6 multiplied by 10 raised to power 1, 8 multiplied by 10 raised to power 0, 5 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 1, 3 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 2. This is the way we do it in the case of decimal number system. Similarly, in the binary system, if the value is 10.01, this 10.01, it is in binary. So what we do is we write it like this: this one is here, 1 multiplied by 2 raised to power minus 2, 0 multiplied by 2 raised to power minus 1, 0 multiplied by 2 raised to power 0, 1 multiplied by 2 raised to power 1. This is the way we do it in the case of binary system. So the way we handle fractions in decimal number system, we use the same way in case of binary number system. Thus the binary point serves the same purpose as the decimal point. Some of the positional values in binary system are given below. This is the binary point. The values on the left side, which are shown in green arrow, they are in positive number. The values which are shown on the right side, that is in the red arrow, they are in fractional numbers. This is just for the reference purpose. Now let us take up two examples to understand how to handle fractional numbers in case we are converting from a binary fractional number to decimal number system. Fractional numbers converting from a binary fractional number to decimal number system. Example 1. Find the decimal equivalent of the binary number 110.101. This is the binary number and we want to convert it into decimal number system. We can represent this particular thing as 2 raised to power minus 3, 2 raised to power minus 2, 2 raised to power minus 1, 2 raised to power 0, 2 raised to power 1, 2 raised to power 2. Now, this is the base and these are the digits. How to solve it? Digit multiplied by base raised to power. Digit is 1 multiplied by base is 2 raised to power minus 3. Here digit is 0, base is 2, digit multiplied by base raised to power minus 2. Digit multiplied by base raised to power minus 1. Digit multiplied by base raised to power 0. Again 1 multiplied by 2 raised to power 1. 1 multiplied by 2 raised to power 2. Let us solve it. When we solve it, we get the value as 6.625 and the base is 10. So the decimal equivalent of this binary is decimal equivalent of 110.101 binary is 6.625 base 10. Let's have one more example. Here we will convert octal fractional number to decimal number system. The octal fractional number is 127.54. Remember that this is octal number. This is octal number. We want to convert it into decimal number system. So 8 raised to power minus 2, 8 raised to power minus 1, 8 raised to power 0, 8 raised to power 1, 8 raised to power 2. Let's solve it. 4 multiplied by 8 raised to power minus 2. 5 multiplied by 8 raised to power minus 1. 7 multiplied by 8 raised to power 0. 2 multiplied by 8 raised to power 1. 1 multiplied by 8 raised to power 2. Once we solve it, we get 4 divided by 64, 5 divided by 8, decimal symbol, 7 multiplied by 1 equivalent to 7, 2 multiplied by 8, 16, 1 multiplied by 8 raised to power 2 is 64. We get the value 64, 16, 80. This is 87. And once we solve this particular thing, it comes to 0.625 and 0.0625. So we get the answer 87.6875. 87.6875 base is 10. So the decimal equivalent of octal number 127.54, the decimal equivalent is 87.6875. In this way, the fractional numbers are handled. Thank you very much.